Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you fix Snapchat device ban. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store and over here, you have to make sure that your Snapchat application is up to date. After you make that sure, what you have to do is that go back to your home screen and long press on the Snapchat application and click on App Info. Now on the app info, you simply have to click on the option that says force stop. You have to force stop your Snapchat application. After that, go back to your home screen once again and open up your device settings. Now on your settings, click on the option that says time zone. Now from here, you very simply have to disable the automatic time zone and then select any random time zone. Once you do that, you will be able to easily fix your Snapchat device ban. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more videos in the future.